In this video lesson, I would like to show you and explain you one case in trading where you have probably already experienced or you will experience in the future. What happens is one of the emotions that appear very often. It is contained under the fear, one of the biggest emotions together with the greed on the trading. Under the fear, there is emotion that is called also self-doubt. Is it emotion or something else, the status of your mind? I do not know, but it is under the fear. It is self-doubt where you are experiencing something where you think that your trading strategy is not correct. But your trading strategy and analysis shows that in the amount of 10 trades, your probability of success is 70%, which means 7 trades of 10 trades is successful. 3 of them are bad trades. So you have a ratio 7 against 3. And what happens in your trading strategy? It happens that you open one trade, you start trading and you open one trade, it is a false one. You lose money. Then you open a second trade based on your analysis and you also use your steps. For example, you open a one trade with a lot size, sell by market, and in this case, for example, it happens that you close second trade. Then you open the third trade. Again, you change for example, the change of the direction because your strategy tells you now it's time to buy by the market. You open and buy. This is the third trade. What happens then? After a while, the price goes against you. You close the trade. Again, the third trade has been closed. Now you start to think, well, I already have 3 trades closed with a loss. I have followed my strategy, all the steps I have followed. What I have done before, when I have good trades, profitable trades, I'm doing correctly right now, all the steps the same. There is no change. The process is the same. Why do I have 3 trades in a row bad trades? Why they are losing? I do not know that. But sometimes it happens that you start thinking about your trading strategy. Is this strategy good? Maybe I need to change something because I have 3 trades in a row. Now I have a fourth opportunity that is in line with my strategy. Now, for example, on the trading market here on the chart, I should buy because my trading strategy tells me that when the price reaches this support level, then I should open a buy order, which means the price should go up. But I already had 3 trades, bad ones. I don't know, should I change something on this trade or should I wait for some more indication that should be confirmed as a signal that the price will go up? This is the status of your mind, which is called also of fear, a self-doubt on your trading strategy, where you are thinking that 3 trades are already losing one, so you do not want to open a 4th trade to be losing one, because this will be too much. Well, this is something that happens a lot in trading, and one of the things that you need to pay attention is that if you have a trading strategy, and especially if you have 100 trades already open and 70% of them are successful, you have an option to open 30 trades in a row to be losing. So you should not self-doubt on your trading strategy. And if there is a trading opportunity like this one that is in line with your trading strategy steps, you should open the trade and continue trading because you have already proven your trading strategy that is successful, and 70% of your trading activity will be successful, which ultimately, if you have a proper risk management, you will be profitable in the long run. But I understand that there is an issue happening here on the 4th trade in a row that should be open, and there is a high probability that it will be a losing trade. Now, one of the things that you need to pay attention is that you should be objectively looking to the trading here and not be subjective, which means open to these influence of the trading conditions, which means the trades that you have currently open that are currently bad trades. Here, when you take a look on your trading activity, when you see a losing streak where you have lots of bad trades closing with a loss, this should not affect you at all. You should be objectively looking on the trading where you understand that you have a trading system that is 70% of time profitable. And when the time comes and when you have a large number of trades open, for example 10 trades, 20 trades, 50 trades, then you make the analysis and see, is it something working or not? Now there is something that you need to work on yourself, and that is being objective, not looking into the trades as something that should influence you and activate a fear in yourself, self-doubt status of your mind. If you have a trading strategy with certain steps which are already profitable and confirmed on the trading markets, simply open the trade even though the trade will be losing one, because you understand that in time you'll be profitable, and one of these trades is a small percentage of the trades of activity, of trading activity that you will experience, and it will not be a bad one. In time, as time passes, if something changes on your trading activity, you get 60% of trades successful, then you should stop and think about your trading strategy. Should there be something changed based on your results that you have experienced in trading? You will see what you have changed, what has changed on the market, and do you need to adapt your trading steps to avoid losing your profitability percentage from 70% to 60% or less. Now, self-doubt is okay, but do not be open to be influenced by self-doubt and the fear on your trading activity. If the trading strategy steps tells you open the trade when a certain criteria has been met, open the trade and move away from your trading screen if that is bothering you. So you do not change anything during when the trade is open. Do not close this trade immediately when you see a minus on your trading account balance. Just wait until the price reaches take profit and the stop loss level. Use the proper risk management. That is the most important thing in your trading strategy, where you have a certain percentage of a loss that is accepted on a certain trade. If your trade is accepting half percent of your account balance as a loss, put that, and when you have, for example, 10 trades, this will be minus 5% on your trading activity, but it is at 10 trades. So there is a less opportunity that you will have 10 trades in a row with a bad activity, which means 10 trades as the bad ones in a row will be less likely to happen if your trading strategy is 70% of time profitable. Now, the fear is one of the biggest issues here in the trading, and this is something that you need to clean your mind from the fear and being objectively in trading. Be objective and do not be allowed to be influenced by the market conditions and your account status balance. This is all for this video. I hope this was helpful about explaining what is a self-doubt in your trading strategy. Do not allow to be influenced by that. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I will try to answer as soon as possible. And if you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading.